Rebuilding trust in relationships, a journey of healing and growth. Welcome to a conversation about rebuilding trust in relationships. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship, and when it's broken, it can be challenging to repair. But with effort, commitment, and a willingness to grow, women can rebuild trust and strengthen their relationships. Let's explore the causes of broken trust. Betrayal, infidelity, emotional or physical abuse, dishonesty, lack of communication. These actions can cause deep emotional pain and distress. Effects of broken trust. The effects of broken trust can be devastating. Anxiety and insecurity, emotional pain and distress, possibility of relationship breakdown. But there is hope for healing and growth. Difficulty in intimacy and vulnerability.